Well, good morning, everybody. I'm George. I'm a reader here at All Saints Church. I want to just mention before we start, we're getting to the end of our celebrations, December. Before that, we have in November, the 10th and the 11th, the exhibition and the other things. So be aware of what's happening and do try to attend these functions, because there won't be any more of them after all that. And invite friends or tell friends about it. On the last day of the year, December the 31st, there are 4 names on the list here that we'll be remembering. So again, ask people to come to that last service of the year. And you're also invited to hand in to us names of those departed whom you would like mentioned on that day. Not necessarily people who have died in that war, in the First World War, but have had some connections and with World War I, right? So I'd like to welcome James. Thank you very much for coming along. He's going to have a quick chat with us, ring the bells, and then he'll have another little chat, and then we'll have some prayers.
Well, thank you all for coming today to today's commemoration for Charles Reygate. The Reygates we've been in Banstead quite a while, so they're quite a well-established local family. Charles worked locally. He moved to Sutton just about the time that the war broke out. So he's commemorated not just here in Banstead, in several places, but in Belmont and Sutton as well. I'm delighted to say that we commemorated one of Charles's brothers last year, unfortunately. I'm delighted to say that last time we were able to be joined by family members, and they've also made the trip to be with us again today. And so Janet is going to read us a short poem.
Break of Day in the Trenches by Isaac Rosenberg. The darkness crumbles away. It is the same old druid time as ever. Only a live thing leaps my hand, a queer sardonic rat. As I pull the parapet's poppy to stick behind my ear, droll rat, they would shoot you if they knew your cosmopolitan sympathies. Now you have touched this English hand, you will do the same to a German. Soon, no doubt, if it be your pleasure, to cross the sleeping green between. It seems you inwardly grin as you pass, strong eyes, fine limbs, haughty athletes, less chanced than you for life. Bonds to the winds of murder, sprawled in the bowels of the earth, the torn fields of France. What do you see in our eyes at the shrieking iron and flame hurled through still heavens? What quaver, what heart aghast? Poppies whose roots are in man's veins drop and are ever dropping. But mine in my ear is safe, just a little white with the dust.
We will remember